Welcome to another soothing visualization exercise. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and I'm the co-founder of the Mind Movies movement, and I've helped over 10 million people manifest their dreams. Now, in a few moments, I'm going to guide you through a very powerful meditation that's designed to help you visualize your happy place by separating your mind from any situation that could be causing you any stress. So first, make sure that you're in a seated position or lying down in a comfortable and quiet space. This is your time. So remove yourself from all external distractions and begin to settle into this meditation. So when you're ready, slowly close your eyes and shift your attention from your eyelids to your breath. So begin by taking deep, long, relaxing breaths. So breathing in. With each breath you take in, fill your lungs with the essence of peace. And then breathing out. And as you're breathing out, completely relax, slowing your body down. Again, breathing in. Holding it there. And breathing out. Relaxing every cell, every fiber of your body. One more time, breathing in, holding, and breathing out. And as you're breathing out, I want you to think of your favorite place in the world. And picture yourself here in your favorite place. So notice everything about this place for you. What do you see? Are your favorite colors surrounding you? Are there other people in this place with you, or are you alone? Are there children playing? Are there any animals or plants or trees? What type of sounds are you hearing? Is music playing? Or do you hear the soothing sounds of a stream? What does it smell like? Are you floating or are you walking? And if you're walking, what does the ground feel like beneath your feet? So feel this soothing energy all around you that effortlessly grounds you, making you feel safe, happy, and whole. So take your time with each breath and be in a relaxed state of breathing. Happiness never rushes. And feel yourself align with the vibration of the universe. Feel it running through your entire being. And let it fill every cell as you reach your hand out. What do you feel here in your happy place? What's the temperature? And what can you taste? Is it sweet? What is your favorite flavor? Now begin moving around your happy place, appreciating every aspect of it, as if everything and everyone is there just for you. You are completely secure and peaceful in this place. And you are free. Now place your hands on your heart and say goodbye to this place, knowing that it will always be here with you and knowing that you can return whenever you wish. So just taking a deep breath in, breathing in and breathing out. And as you're breathing out, wiggling your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Finding yourself feeling peaceful And as you open your eyes, enjoy your peaceful feeling because you've found your happy place. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.